This is how you can mute, solo, and control separate audio tracks here in Sony Vegas 17 or 18 Pro. So on this side panel here, you can see all these little tabs and whatever, and this is how you can control them. So if you want to solo something, that means that will be the only audio playing. You can also do this for video clips if you have two lined up over top of each other. Let's say I have this clip lined up over this clip. Obviously this clip is on top of this clip, but if I solo this, it will mute this track basically, and it will solo this. But if you want to just mute one track, let's say with audio, if I want to mute this track and only keep the music, I can mute this, and now it'll just be the audio playing. Simple. So that is how you can mute and control separate. Oh wait. Sorry, I forgot this as well. Volume slider, you can use this to go up and down with your decibels. That is how you can mute, control, and solo separate audio tracks in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18.